Hello guys, hope we are all doing well, fine and wonderful. I have gotten a car trip. So in this video, we are looking at how to go about the boat drivers app. When the payment or the mode of payment is card or is cashless. So we are on our way to pick the passenger. So there is nothing different about card payment, just that the passenger won't pay cash. He or she has already paid with his or her card. So we are here. I have 10 months. It's actually okay. So I've started the trip. Welcome and ending the trip. So we've successfully ended the trip, and the price is 20 Ghana cedis. But since it's a boot payment or it's a card payment, you need not to take money. So boot payment do not take money. From then you have to confirm the trip. You can rate the passenger. So it's a 5 star already. You can change it depending on how the trip went. So it will depend on you the kind of rating you want to give to the passenger. Then after that you confirm the trip in order to completely end the trip. I've already gotten another trip, so I'm on my way going to pick the person. Kindly like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks always for supporting us.